People, welcome back to Politics Watch. Now today we're going to talk about Vybz Kartel, aka the World Boss. Now, Kartel is currently in prison, serving his sentence, but he's appealing the verdict that he received. And he has recruited some of the most expensive lawyers he can find in Jamaica to do this appeal. Now, this is what you must realize. The last thing the Jamaican justice system wants is for Vybz Kartel to get released. Because if he wins this appeal, it is extremely embarrassing for the justice system. A matter of fact, it will be complete disaster. Let me explain. If Vybz Kartel was to win his appeal, that would mean two things, and both of those things would be extremely embarrassing for the justice system. Let me explain what those two things are. So let's say Monday morning we hear that Vybz Kartel win his appeal. Here is the first thing that would mean. That would mean that the justice system just sent an innocent man to prison for 7 years, taking him away from his family, his friends, his freedom, his ability to make money, etc. Right? Now, as it relates to whether or not I believe Vybz Kartel is innocent, I will let his own words speak. As he said, and I quote, "If you think me a just DJ, ask Waterford people how me stay." That's the best thing I can tell you. Ask Waterford people about Kartel. Right? If you think Kartel is some innocent youth who is being framed, trust me, you don't know the half of who Vybz Kartel really is. Right? But anyway, back to the appeal. So that would be the first thing. Right? It would mean that they sent an innocent man to jail. Right? And that would be extremely embarrassing, because if they can do that to somebody who have money and who have big shot lawyers, now we're gonna have to ask the question, how many innocent youth in prison? Right? Because it's such a high profile case and they managed to sink him for 7 years, then again you can see why that would be extremely embarrassing for the Jamaican justice system. The second thing it would mean if Kartel wins his appeal, or the second possible thing is, it would mean that they've released a guilty man. A man who did the crime, but because of their sloppiness, he got away. Now, this is the thing. When you look at the case, you realize just how sloppy and unprofessional Jamaican police officers are. Now, after Vybz Kartel was arrested, the cellular phone that he possessed, some of the pictures that were in the phone immediately leaked. And as soon as I saw that, I said to myself, listen, this is going to help Kartel. People, let me explain. You see, the policemen who went into Vybz Kartel's phone and released those pictures, they might be the ones who end up making Kartel win this appeal. Because what that means is that they touched the evidence. Right, now we all heard the voice notes, we all saw the text messages, but just the fact that they touched the evidence means that he has the grounds to say, listen, these people tampered with the evidence, therefore it's immediately null and void. And if that was to happen, whose fault is that? It would be down to sloppy police work. And again, the justice system would look like a bunch of fools. Because you have a man, you have all this evidence against him, but because of your sloppy work, him get there. So people, now you can see why the Jamaican justice system cannot allow cartel to be free. Because either way, it is embarrassing for them. Either way, they are in a world of trouble. Because he can sue, right? He can sue them for loss of earnings, etc., wrongful incarceration, right? But they would look like a laughing stock, not just in front of the Jamaican people, but across the world. Because Vybz Kartel is a very high-profile individual. As I said, it's going to make people ask the question, well, how much other case they mash up? Right? Because if you can do this to him, and it was so much attention, and him have much money, him have the best lawyers, and it could happen to him, then it can happen to anybody. Right? So, at the moment, Kartel is actually in jail. He's actually quite sick. And I think the justice system might be trying to delay as long as they can to maybe bring Kartel to a point where either he passes away in prison, or by the time he gets released, him can't even talk. Because the last time I saw Kartel, his whole throat region is swollen. Right? Now, that's probably the best outcome for them. Because the last thing they want is for this man to get free and start calling them out. Right? So, it doesn't look good for the justice system if he wins this appeal. They need to keep him behind bars. It's the only way they can maintain any kind of credibility. Because they're gonna look like a bunch of rookies and a bunch of fools. Anyway, then take it. Right? So, people, jump in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Do you think he's going to win his appeal? And if he does win his appeal, what do you think this means for our justice system? And can people ever take it seriously again? Right? Because the world is watching, you know. Don't underestimate just how popular Kartel really is. The world is watching. People want to see what the justice system is about. Alright? So as I said, like, comment, share, and big up on yourself every time. This is Politics Watch.